I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by identifying what's causing the bubble: puckered fabric, adhesive trapped, or lifted lining. Once identified, gather your tools: steam iron, pressing cloth, fine needle, clips, and fabric glue, and test on a hidden seam so you avoid visible damage. Apply gentle steam from 6-8 inches, then smooth with your hand while warm. This relaxes fibers. If steam doesn't work, proceed to targeted fixes. Make sure to keep movements slow and controlled to prevent stretching. Once done with the initial steam, decide the core technique depending on cause. For puckers, continue with short bursts of steam and press through a cloth while you smooth the grain of the fabric. This realigns fibers. If the lining is detached, carefully open a 1-2 inch seam, reposition the lining, and secure with small slip stitches. This prevents bulk. For glue bubbles, pierce a pinhole to release trapped air, press flat. Then inject a tiny amount of fabric-safe adhesive and clamp until set. Finish by pressing with the correct heat setting for your fabric. Always use a pressing cloth, and cool the area under weight for 10-20 minutes to set shape. Once done, reinforce any reopened seam with tiny stitches or narrow fabric tape so the bubble doesn't recur. If you notice fabric thinning, dye change, or stubborn bubbling after these steps, stop. Don't overwork the area. One key troubleshooting tip: if the bubble returns after 48 hours, consult a professional tailor to prevent permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.